Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 5, Day 5. Listen as I say a group of sounds, then we will blend them together. P, sh, push, st, d, stood, b, k, book, g, d, good. Now I'm going to say a word and we'll break it apart. Foot, f, t, 3 sounds, good. G, d, 3 sounds, book. B, k, 3 sounds, pull. P, ul, 3 sounds, put. P, t, 3 sounds, stood. S, t, d, 4 sounds. Okay, friends, this is our 5th day with the sound, so I'm going to give you 3 seconds for you to read it. I will give you 3 seconds, then I'll say it. 3, 2, 1, push. 3, 2, 1, put. 3, 2, 1, foot. 3, 2, 1, look. Okay, let's look at this word. This is good. Change the g to w. Wood. Change the w to h. Hood. Change the d to k. Hook. Change the h to b. Book. Change the b to k. Cook. Change the k to ul. Look. Change the ul to t. Took. Change the t to sh. Shook. Change the sh to cur. Crook. Change the cur to burr. Brook. Okay, that's the end for that. So I'll give you 3 seconds to read each word. Hopefully you can do it in your head and say it before I do. 3, 2, 1, good. 3, 2, 1, push. 3, 2, 1, book. 3, 2, 1, stopped. 3, 2, 1, shot. 3, 2, 1, put. 3, 2, 1, cook. 3, 2, 1, bake. 3, 2, 1, stopping. 3, 2, 1, shopping. 3, 2, 1, full. 3, 2, 1, hood. 3, 2, 1, pole. 3, 2, 1, clapped. 3, 2, 1, chatted. 3, 2, 1, look. 3, 2, 1, crook. 3, 2, 1, pull. 3, 2, 1, clapping. 3, 2, 1, chatting. 3, 2, 1, wood. 3, 2, 1, foot. 3, 2, 1, push. Here are our high frequency words. Here we go. After. We can play after school. Buy. What did you buy? Done. When will the food be done? Every kid got a book. Work. This is so much work. Soon. We can go home soon. Okay, let's look at the last part. So, we're talking about contractions this week, so I'm going to read the sentence, and I'd like you to say the contraction, then I'll give you 3 seconds and say it myself. It isn't time to get up. 3, 2, 1. Isn't is my contraction today. We have our apostrophe. This really means is not, but I squished it into isn't. Our next one. I can't walk up the big hill. Think in your head. 3, 2, 1. Can't is my contraction. The O is squished. Can't is cannot. Okay, next one. Don't nap while we take a test. Think of the contraction. 3, 2, 1. Don't is my contraction. That is short for do not. Okay, next sentence. I didn't get to see your new bike. Think of the contraction. 3, 2, 1. If you said didn't, you are correct. It means did not. Okay, so what is a contraction? A contraction is two words that are put together and the O becomes an apostrophe, or any other letter, so it is, the I would become an apostrophe. So today we've been working on words with not. And when we cross off that N and put an apostrophe T, that becomes nt. Okay? So change the contractions in each sentence to the two words. Oh, so we're going to find the contraction, then split it up into the real words. Okay, here we go. It isn't time to get up. Think of the contraction. If you said isn't, you're right. And if I break that up into the two words, it would be is not. Okay, that's what isn't stands for. Okay, let's do the next one. I can't walk up the big hill. Think of the contraction. If you said can't, and can't is actually can not. Okay, let me go up here. Next, don't nap while we take a test. Think of the contraction. If you said don't, you're correct. And it would be do, if I broke it apart, not. Do you notice how all of these have not in them? Okay, last one for this part. I didn't get to see your new bike. Think of the contraction. Didn't would be it. Let's break it apart. It would be did not. I did not see your new bike. Okay, so all of these sentences have a contraction that has a problem. So let's see if we can fix it. I'll read you the sentence, then I'll let you see what you can do to fix the contraction. The cat didn't eat its snack. So, what word is the contraction? If you said didn't, you're correct. Is that where the I goes? No, because that would mean it was didn't, which is not a word, because the apostrophe goes where the missing letter should be. So we would go did is a word, and then we need apostrophe t. The cat didn't eat its snack. Okay, let's find the next contraction. They are not going to ride the bus. So let's look at this. Here's are not. Is that how we write that contraction? No. What's wrong with it? Do you see? That O in the middle is supposed to be the squished apostrophe. So it would be aren't. We're supposed to have the O squished into the apostrophe. So aren't. They aren't going to ride the bus. Last one for this part. I think that's supposed to be dog. My dog doesn't like to take a bath. Oh, this one isn't wrong. Maybe dog was the wrong part. Because that's right, doesn't. Okay, friends, that's all for today. I'll talk to you later. Bye, everyone.